Hello there and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to this channel, you're so much welcome. So today I'm going to teach you how to check your spelling mistake in Microsoft Word. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So today we're going to learn about spell checker, a useful feature in Microsoft Word that helps you to identify and correct mistakes and grammar mistakes. So what is a spell checker? A spell checker is a tool in Microsoft Word that automatically checks your document for spellings and grammar errors. It helps you ensure your writing is professional, accurate, and easy to read. Why is spell checker important? Spell checker helps you to find spelling mistake quickly, improve your grammar, create professional documents, save time when proofreading, reduces errors in CV, reports, and assignments, and helps you to have an accurate report. How does spell checker works? When Microsoft Word detects a mistake, it highlights it in different color lines. Common indicators are red underlines or blue underlines. The red underline indicates a spelling mistake. For example, if you are written computer like this instead of computer, the correct word, it highlights it in red. For blue underlines, it indicates a grammar or sentence structure issues. For example, she goes to school instead of she goes to school. She goes to school instead of she goes to school. So in case you have any grammatical error, it highlights it with a blue underline. How to use spell checker in Microsoft Word? The first method, automatic spelling check. So open your Microsoft Word, start typing your document, watch for red or blue underlines, then right click on the underlined word, then select the correct suggestion from the list. The mistake is corrected automatically once you click the correct word. The second method is you run a full spell check to your Word document, and I'll show you that. You open your document, then click Review tab, then click Spelling and Grammar, and once you click Spelling and Grammar, it automatically checks in your word or scans your entire document, then follows the suggestion to correct the errors. So an example of an incorrect sentence structure. This sentence structure you see here, it has grammatical errors. And after you check your spelling through the Word spell checker, you'll notice how Word helps identify and correct the mistakes. So benefits of using spell checker: it makes document look professional, it improves communication, helps students submit better assignment, it helps job seekers to create error-free CV, and builds confidence in your writing. So important to note, spell checker is helpful, but it's not always perfect. Always read the correct document carefully before submitting it, and make sure you don't just select because it has highlighted. You just change the words. Kindly make sure that you check if the words are correct. Some words might be spelled correctly, but used incorrectly. For example, they are going to school. They are going to school. If you check this, one is correct and one is wrong. So you need to counter check. Key points to remember. Spelling checker finds spelling mistakes. And the first one is grammar checks helps improve sentence structure. The red lines usually indicate spelling errors, and the blue line usually indicates grammatical error. Always review your document before saving or before printing. So these are questions that you can try to gauge yourself if there's something that you have learned And the first one is, what is a